welcome back to a math video. I am your math teacher Jeevita and we will be continuing with exercise 1.3. So in the last class we learned the Indian place value chart and we also learned how to place the numbers in the places and how will you read the numbers, how to insert commas and how to write the numbers. So same thing, you know how to take the place value also. So now I had given a hint of how to expand numbers using this place value. Today we will be learning about expansion. So in the last class we had expanded one number and in this class we expanded different numbers, children. So let's take a number. So let's take this number and let's expand it. So before expanding, you should first insert the comma. Only then you can know how to expand it. So this is 1 billion, thousand, lakh and crore. So we will start expanding from this side, crore place. How to expand? You should write 1 into crore is 1 crore. So the other easier way is you write the number and count how many numbers are after that. Draw so many zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros and you should also place the comma. Now one number is finished. Let's go for the next number. 2. 2 and how many numbers are there after 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I should place 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Left. Now go for the next number, 3. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers after that. So 3 with 5 zeros. Next, 4 with 3 zeros. So plus 4 with 3 zeros. Next, 1 with 2 zeros. 6 with 1 0, the last one is 0 only. This is how you expand a number. For your easy understanding, I have given you this technique. You can expand it like this in numbers also. The one more way to expand it is writing in words. So you take this number 1 and write which place it is in crore place. So write crore. And the group name children. Next you write 23. Okay, or you can also write 2 and which place it is? 10 lakh place. So 10 lakh. Instead of writing this comma, you can write this word. That's the reason. Next, plus 3 is in lakh place. So it will be 3 lakh. Plus next number 64. 10,000 plus 4,000 in word plus 1 is in 100, so 100 plus 6 10 plus what is in one place? 0 1. So this is also an expansion. Okay, this is also expanding numbers, but you can do it in words. The previous one here is in numbers and this is in words. And I saw now that I have not written the 10,000 place children and I have kept here 6 with 4 zeros and 4 with 3 zeros here. So you would have understood. I'll repeat again. So for expanding, you just take the number and count how many numbers are after it. You will write so many zeros. After one number, go to the next number. Write that number with the number of zeros. Next number with the number of zeros. Next number with number of zeros. Same thing you will do for all with the plus sign in between each number. This is writing in numbers. If you are not comfortable with that, you can also write it in words. Write the number and write which place it is. 1 is in crore place. So 1 crore. Plus 2 is in 10,000 place. So 10 lakh place. So in 10 lakh. and so on. So this is expansion. There are two ways. If it was comfortable for you, you can do it that way. The next part is finding the place values, which you have already learned in your previous video. But still, let us learn here some more additional techniques. So let us take a number and place the comma. And I am going to mark two numbers in it. Okay? So I have to find the place value of these two numbers. So what is the place value of 2 first? So let me write PV for short form. Place value of 2 is in 10,000 place. So 20,000. Same thing let us do for 4 also. So place value of 4 is how much? It is in 100 place. So it is 400. So I know how to find the place value now. But the problem now is you have to find the sum of this and also subtract and find the difference of it. Sum means the answer you get by adding the numbers. Difference means answer you get by subtracting two numbers. So first we should add the numbers and find the answer. Adding is very easy. You will get this number will be in the place and same number below. Okay, adding is very easy. So number is 20,400. After adding, I get sum as 20,400. But subtraction, it is a subtraction now. Subtraction is not very difficult, a small difficulty. Subtracting the number 0, 0 is easy. I get 0 only. But subtracting 0 and 4, this I can't do, students. So what you should do is, this 0 becomes 10 and this becomes 9, this becomes 1. See children, 0 if you have the lesser number. If you go back, you get 9. Okay? Backward jumping 1. So now if you subtract it, you get 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 has nothing here. So 9 only. 1, nothing, so 1 only. So the difference which we get after subtracting these two place values is 19,600. So the same types of problems we will be doing in the classwork part also for the practice children. All of you open your classwork book and along with the textbook and all the necessary geometrical materials you need for it. So let's continue the classwork part. We were doing exercise 1.2. We finished the third main and now we are going for the fourth main. So continue fourth main. For reference, you can also open your textbook 88. Page number 88. So fourth main, write in standard form. Write in standard form. Leave one line, write the first question. So then you can copy the question from the textbook also. First one, 310 crore plus 2 crores plus 5 lakhs plus 8 10,000 plus 600 plus 5 tens. So then leave one finger gap and write neatly plus 8 ones. So how will I write the number in the short form? In the previous class, they had given you short form. You had written like this in words, expanded form. Now they have given you question as expanded form. You should write this short form. It's really very easy, children. You have to just pick this number and write one by one. So let's start writing. 3 2, next 5, 8, 6, 5, 8, and you have to insert the commas correctly. Okay, now let's copy the second question. Leave one line and copy the second question. So I want to copy the third one in your textbook, because second one I want you to try this. I'll do the third one, which is in numbers now. You can see 6 followed by 5 zeros. That means it is 6 lakh plus 20,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 8. Okay children, it's ones, tens, hundreds. You can see no thousands here. So be careful, you should write 0 in thousands place. They won't give you 0, okay? But you should know which is missing. So before writing answer, first make sure to check all the places are here or not. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands is not there, 10,000, lakh. So let's write the number lakh. This is 10,000 and there is no thousand here, so 0, and the 100, tens, ones, and insert the commas. Is this clear children? So I will show you the next fourth one. I am going to write third one here, but I am copying the fourth question. I want you to try the fifth one, which is very similar to third one. So let's copy the question. The fourth question I am copying children. 5 crores plus 5 10 lakhs plus 8 lakhs plus 7 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 800. Students, if I am fast, you can pause the video, copy the question, even it is available in the textbook, then check the answer. So let's write this. How we'll write? First, crores, 10 lakh, lakh. So we'll go from opposite, which we have learned always. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So let's write all the numbers, because all are present here. Nothing is missing. And now insert the commas. So we have finished the fourth main. Other two some such which I have asked you to do it in textbook. Please do it in textbook only. Next we go for the fifth main. Find the sum. Sum means addition children. And difference. Difference means subtraction between the place value of colored digits. So we can see in the textbook, one is red in color, one is blue in color. We'll take this, okay, and I'll show you what to do. First question, first copy the full question here, and which is colored, we will underline it children. This and this is underlined. Now you know what is place value, right? So what is the place value of 8 here? It is 8,000. So write PV for place value of 8 is 80 lakh here. So it is 80 lakh. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And insert the commas correctly in the places. This is the place value of 8. Similarly, let's take place value of the next number that is 4. So it is in 10,000s place. So 10,000, that is 40,000. So now we found out the place value of colored digit. Now next what we should do? We should find the sum and the difference. Sum means addition. So what you should do? You should add. Write the numbers properly. Leave correctly little gap and write the numbers like this. Because all are zeros, you get confused. Next, below that you put addition sign and you should write the next number. Children, don't start from this side, you should always start from this side. Only then your number will be correct and the answer will be correct. So we have 4 zeros here, write 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 here. Now when you add all these things, what is the answer you get, children? So all are zeros, zeros, zeros only. Only one number. 0 plus 4 is 4. And 8 plus nothing is 8 only. So this is the answer when you add it up. That is sum. So you write sum. Similarly, we should find difference also, right? Difference means subtraction. So leave 2 lines, children, here. Leave 2 lines. And write the same. How you wrote for the addition? You write the same for subtraction also. Leave little gap and write. Now you should subtract. So 0 minus 0, everything is 0 till here. But 0 minus 4, I can't do it. I can't write 0 also. So what should I do? I should go for the next number. Take one borrow. You can see here I have 0 here also. So all these zeros will go to 8. We'll take 1. So 8 becomes 7. Now 0 becomes 10. Now it has 10 numbers to give for the other 0. So it will cancel 10 and become 9 by giving 1 to the next 0. Same, the thing will be done by this number also. It will give 1 to the next number, it becomes 9. And even this gives 1 to the next number and becomes 9. So this doesn't need to give others. This 0 wants it for subtraction. So this will not give for others, it will subtract now. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and the other numbers are 3, 9 and 7. So this is the difference. So write difference. D-E-F-F is enough. Difference. You understood the sum, children? Now I will show you one more of the same type. Second one, 921732335. So what are the color digits here? 1 and 3. So place value of 1 is 1 lakh. Place value of 3 is 3000. Now let's add up. First let's do addition. Write the numbers correctly one below other, otherwise you will get confused because here there are so many zeros. So till here answer is 0, 0, 0. But when I come for this, I should go borrow. So 1 will give this to 10. This 10 gives to the next 0 becomes 10. This becomes 9. So 10 minus 3 is 7, 9, 9. This would be the answer of subtraction. We did subtraction here, sorry. So this is subtraction, you write difference. Subtraction. Now we will do addition here. Plus 3000 becomes 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 3 is 3, 0, 1. This is your answer. Insert the commas in the correct places. So we have found the sum also. So let's finish up one more sum. Third one. Children, write spaciously. Don't make it congested. See, I have written the numbers which is far, far. Even you can write not very far. So place value of 8 here is 8 lakh. 80 lakh. Place value of next number 7 is 7,000. So now let's start adding and subtracting. So 80 lakh, leave some gap and write like this. Next number is 1000. Come always from the ones place. Let us subtract first. So till here it's 0. This should become 10. So this 9. 9. This one minus 1 is 7. So 10 minus 7 is 3997 is the answer. Okay children, now let's stop it here. I want you to try the other sums and tell me what will be the answer. Okay, I'll show you one more sum because this is of new type, you get confused. Let us do one more last sum. So what is the place value of the numbers underlined? 8 and 6. So 9 and 6. Place value of 9 is 9 crore. Again place value of 6 is 100. So now first let us subtract. 9 crore minus 600. So my answer would be 0, 0. So this should become 10, 9, 9, 9, 9. And this 9 becomes 8. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. Now write the other numbers. So this will be your answer after subtracting. Now what about addition? So I don't have place there, I'm doing in the next page. 99 lakhs, so 9 crores minus 600 gives you, we already did subtraction, so now we should do addition children. Plus so we have finished second one, we have subtracted and got the answer 09700 and we got the sum as 1,03,000. Let's go for the third one. 31 crore 86 lakh 17,283. The colored numbers are 8 and 7. So place value of 8 is 80 lakh. Place value of 7 is 7,000. Now first let us subtract. So 0, 0, 0. For this I should borrow. After borrowing, if I subtract, I get 79 lakh 93,700. Now let's add it up. For adding, zero, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 8. That is 80 lakh 7,000. So we have found the difference and we have also found the sum. Same thing we'll do with the fourth one. 29 crore 82 lakh 34,629. So place value of which two numbers? 9 and 6. 9 is 9 crore. Place value of 6 is 600. So let's find the difference. 0, 0. When I subtract, this becomes 10. 9, 9, 9, 9. And this should be minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 6 is 4. The other numbers, write it as it is. So what is the difference? 8 crores 99 lakh 99,400. This is the difference. Let's add up now. Add it up. It is 9,600,000. That is the sum. So I hope you have all understood. Other sums I wanted you to practice, children. You can practice in your rough book and tell me the answer in the interactive classes. Okay. So I'll be checking your classwork in the interactive session. Please complete it without fail. Thank you. Let me see you in the next video. Bye.